Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I made these really cute Tuscany inspired candle holders. I was going to say vases, candle holders. I got these glasses from Dollar Tree, and for the bottom portion of my candle holder I'm going to use these smaller ones, and I'm just going to take some Dollar Tree spackling and I'm going to put it all over it just to give it some texture. Now, as far as the color, I ended up mixing this brown paint from Dollar Tree with apple barrel white to kind of create this cream color that you see here. It was a little lighter than I liked, but once it dried, it did look good. I wanted to create that old, like rustic Tuscany brown candles. I know you probably know what I'm talking about. I'm probably not describing it well, but anyway, so I went in and I just painted the bottom of those after they fully dried. You do want to let the spackling fully dry before you paint. Now for the top of my candle holder, I am going to just go into my Cricut design space and find some olive branches that I liked. I found these, I thought they were really cute, and I'm just going to cut them out on some gold vinyl. So once they were printed out and I weeded them out, I just used some transfer tape to apply the olive branches to the sides of the top vase, which is going to be the top of the candle holder. So I'm just going to use some E6000 to put it all together. I'm going to turn the top portion upside down, place some E6000 there on the bottom, and then place the other part on top of that. And I think I did actually use E6000 and hot glue. So I did add some twine to the bottom portion of that vase, or to the top of the bottom vase. I thought it needed a little something more, but I like the way that these turned out. I think they're very Tuscany. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and maybe what you might have done differently. I appreciate all the love. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.